Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to show you the second eye look that I have been alternating throughout the month of January, and this eye look will be ongoing until the shadows are completely gone, because they are predominantly using the shadows in my Pan That palette. So let's get started. I have all my other face makeup on already. If you are curious to what I used, you can look at the last Get Ready With Me that I posted previously to this one. I will link it in the card. Nope, right here. Magic. Okay, I'm gonna scoot in. So there is nothing on my eyelid. I did put on some like eye gel earlier today, but no primer or anything. So I am gonna start with the Color Tattoo in the shade Bad to the Bronze. And I just kind of swirl my finger all around, and I start on my lid, packing it on so that, not so that it's like a thick layer. I still want it to be a thin layer, but I want the most color to be there. And then I kind of blend it upward with my finger. This is a super easy look. There are still quite a few products that I'm using, but overall, there's nothing really tricky to this. It's an easy look to do. And of course, you don't need to use as many products as I'm using. But I'm getting a lot of use out of a lot of different products that I want to be working on with it this way, and I'm happy with the way it looks when I'm done. So that's about it. So as you can tell, I went way over my eyelid with the base. This is almost like a one shadow look. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so then what I do is I go into my Pan That palette, and I am working on this bronzy shade right here. I would guess that if you are panning like the Naked palette, or if you have the Naked palette, the color Smog would be a pretty close dupe. This one's a little bit bronzier, and Smog has a little bit of green in it, but pretty close. And I've been using this Morphe M333 brush because it's big and it pretty much covers my whole eyelid. So I've just been picking up some product and then patting it all over. And then I can kind of flip the brush over. That's an Emily Noel trick. If you guys are subscribed to Emily Noel, you've seen her do that a million times. But I'm just kind of taking it upward like that. I want it to go upward on the outside especially, and even in the middle, but not so much here. Like I kind of stop right there on the inside of my lid, because I can look a little bit, it can kind of give me an angry face. And I don't need that. It almost looks like I'm scowling or something. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but you just want to get the product. Look at how much product that diffuses. This brush is actually really good. And I'm not a Morphe affiliate. It's just really good. Okay, so then I'm taking a softer, fluffier brush and going into this mid-tone matte brown shade. The shade Naked in the Urban Decay palette would be a close dupe, and I'm just blending out where I stopped with that bronzy shade and kind of angling it out on the edge, on the outer corner. Let me see if it's, yeah. Oh, don't go anywhere, Mirror. Okay, in with the color Milk on my inner corners to get rid of that darkness that I have. Blend it out with my fingers. Oh, dang it, that's the finger that I have bad to the bronze on. The lighting isn't great today. It's really cloudy, but I'm home and I can film, so we're gonna do it. We're making it work. Okay, pretty good. Now, I'm gonna line really quickly my upper lash line with a black eyeliner. I'm in love with this eyeliner from Marc Jacobs. I'm in love with it. And when I line my eyes, I really only do the outer half. Sometimes I do the inner half, but lately I've just been doing the outer half. And it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm just gonna smudge it out. Okay, so I found a flat brush that I can use to line my top lid with some shadow. This is the Morphe MB47. It is not my favorite brush, but I can't find my favorite brush, so I'm gonna use it. But I'm gonna go into this darkest shade. This shade has a little bit of glitter to it, but it doesn't translate when you put it on the eyelid. And I'm really just smudging out that black liner that I just put down and smoking it out a little. Actually, this brush is working fine for this. It's not precise. If you're looking for precise, this isn't it. It's too thick. But for this, it's fine. Okay, next I'm going to take this teal eyeliner that I've been working on. It's a MAC in the shade Auto de Blue. And it's a dark brown teal, and I'm going to put some in my waterline. I might go back in with that black eyeliner again. But for now, I'm going to try this and see what I think. Okay, now I'm going to grab some ColourPop shadows. First, that shade Hope for my inner corner. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's got that pink shift. It really adds some interest compared to a regular white highlighter or cream colored highlighter. Speaking of which, I'm gonna grab that and put that on my brow bone. The one in my Baby Panette palette. Okay, and then finally, I'm gonna take a second ColourPop shadow in the shade Sugar. And I'm gonna take a pencil brush and smudge out that, and I'm gonna get a mirror so I can see a little bit better. Smudge out that teal eyeliner. These two work together really nicely. And of course, if you don't like a colorful lower lash line, you can just keep going with that brown color. But, or you could use a different color if you don't have teal or you don't like teal. I'm just trying to hit pan on these things, so this has been my go-to for the month, but change it up. Use purple, a navy blue, a green. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. Add some mascara and you are done with this look. So I'm back. I just added some mascara. to my top and lower lashes. I do think that adding some black mascara on my lower lashes tones down the blue a little bit and makes it a little bit less blue. if that seemed like a bit much to you. I've been wearing this to work, out and about every day. I think this is an easy look. Even though I used a lot of products, it only took a few minutes to do, and I'm really happy with it. So I just wanted to show you guys this look. I will be continuing to do this look for more than the next month or two. This will probably be going on, well, for as long as it takes to finish some of these shades in my Pan That palette, because this look does incorporate this shadow, and this shadow. So this is going to be an ongoing look for quite a while. I might change out the color on the bottom lash line at some point. But yeah, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.